Blockchain technology, first conceptualized by an anonymous entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008, has revolutionized the way we think about digital transactions and data security. Initially associated primarily with Bitcoin,
Bitcoin is a cryptographic currency which came to prominence.
Bitcoin definitely trimming some of its losses today.
The value of the cryptocurrency Bitcoin raced to an all-time high today.
blockchain has since evolved into a versatile technology, underpinning a wide array of cryptocurrencies and decentralized applications. Over the past decade, its usage has surged dramatically, capturing the curiosity and interest of millions worldwide. One region where this growth is particularly pronounced is Southeast Asia. The origins of blockchain technology can be traced back to 1991, when researchers Stuart Haber and W. Scott Stornetta introduced a system for time-stamping digital documents using cryptography to ensure they couldn't be tampered with or misdated. However, it wasn't until nearly 2 decades later that blockchain found its first real-world application with the launch of Bitcoin. Today, the adoption of cryptocurrencies is skyrocketing globally, with Southeast Asia emerging as a global hotspot for cryptocurrency adoption. This region's progressive stance towards cryptocurrency markets, burgeoning digital infrastructure, and the relative scarcity of established banking institutions have created a fertile ground for high-growth startups in the cryptocurrency space. Characterized by its diversity and rising incomes, Southeast Asia is attracting investors and entrepreneurs keen on tapping into the dynamic market opportunities. According to a recent report by venture capital firm White Star Capital, Southeast Asia is home to over 600 cryptocurrency and blockchain companies. The report highlights that a significant portion of the recent surge in venture capital funding in the region has been directed towards Web3, blockchain, and cryptocurrency startups. In 2022 alone, these companies collectively raised more than $1 billion in funding. This trend pinpoints the region's pivotal role in the global cryptocurrency landscape and its potential as a hub for innovation and growth in the blockchain sector. As global nomads build new businesses straight from their phones, the impact of blockchain technology continues to evolve, transforming not only finance but also sectors like insurance, supply chains, healthcare, and transportation. Singapore stands out as a pioneer in establishing clear and forward-thinking blockchain regulations, including those for tokenized securities. This clarity enables businesses to operate without regulatory ambiguity. The country serves as a key hub for the Asian blockchain industry, hosting the headquarters or holding companies of numerous Asian blockchain startups. Alongside other blockchain-forward regions like Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Luxembourg, Singapore is solidifying its position as a central player in the global blockchain landscape. Thailand leads Southeast Asia in cryptocurrency trading and investing. The country has a well-established middle class that is making substantial investments in digital assets. This robust investment climate positions Thailand as a significant player in the regional cryptocurrency market. The Philippines has a vibrant Web3 community with 20-30% of players of Sky Mavis's Axie Infinity, a pioneering Web3 game, hailing from the country. This high level of engagement makes the Philippines home to one of the largest proportions of Web3 users globally. Vietnam is emerging as a developer powerhouse and a notable leader in the Web3 space. The country has produced significant blockchain gaming startups like Sky Mavis, and its youthful, talented developers are expected to play a crucial role in the global blockchain ecosystem. Indonesia, considered Southeast Asia's elder brother and giant, has the 4th largest population in the world and a rapidly expanding economy. The country's potential is enormous, and it is garnering increasing attention over time.
Welcome to Bali!
Additionally, Bali is praised as a crypto oasis in Southeast Asia, further highlighting Indonesia's growing significance in the blockchain industry. Malaysia is a true treasure in the blockchain world, home to prominent blockchain infrastructure and analytics companies such as CoinGecko and Etherscan, which are recognized worldwide. Malaysia's contributions make it an important player in the global blockchain ecosystem. As of 2022, NBC News estimates that 21% of American adults owned cryptocurrency, highlighting a significant interest in digital assets. Globally, India topped Chainalysis' worldwide crypto adoption index as of September 2023, with Nigeria and Vietnam rounding out the top 3, demonstrating the widespread embrace of cryptocurrency in diverse regions. Developing markets, such as the Philippines and Indonesia, also show a high number of adopters. In the United States, high earners are disproportionately represented among cryptocurrency investors. 25% of all crypto owners make $100,000 or more a year, compared to 15% of the overall population. Furthermore, a Morning Consult survey reveals a gender disparity in cryptocurrency ownership, with men making up over 70% of Bitcoin owners despite representing only 48% of the overall population, while women constitute 30% of cryptocurrency owners. The cryptocurrency market in Southeast Asia is anticipated to reach $1.79 billion in 2024, with an annual growth rate, CAGR 2024 to 2028, estimated at 8.75%. This growth trajectory is expected to result in a total market value of $2.499 billion by 2028. Southeast Asia continues to lead the world in cryptocurrency adoption, with countries such as Vietnam, the Philippines, and Thailand ranking among the top 20 in the 2023 Global Crypto Adoption Index. Singapore remains a standout leader in the Southeast Asian crypto landscape. In 2024, it maintains its position as a hub for crypto enthusiasts, with nearly 10% of its population actively holding cryptocurrencies, highlighting its influential role in the regional market. Vietnam and Thailand have shown significant progress in embracing decentralized finance, DeFi technology, closely following the United States in adoption rates. This rapid uptake indicates a growing interest in innovative financial solutions within these countries. Several factors are driving the expansion of the cryptocurrency market in Southeast Asia. Many countries in the region have a significant percentage of unbanked individuals and low levels of financial inclusion, making cryptocurrencies an attractive alternative. Nations like Singapore and Hong Kong have implemented advantageous policies that encourage the growth of the cryptocurrency sector. Additionally, numerous emerging technology funds across the continent are actively supporting and funding various cryptocurrency startups. The region boasts high internet access and smartphone penetration rates, facilitating the use of digital currencies. There is also a general skepticism towards traditional financial systems and fiat money, leading to a greater openness to adopting cryptocurrencies.
Why do you think Singapore is such an important hub for crypto?
It's been pretty key because they started quite early. Even a few years ago, they were looking at the potential for central bank digital currencies. They've really been into funding blockchain technology. So it has been a place that was really attractive as a base in Asia.
In support of this burgeoning ecosystem, the Central Bank of Singapore pledged $112 million last year to assist regional fintech initiatives utilizing cutting-edge Web3 technology. Additionally, through Singapore's Project Guardian effort, regulators from both countries collaborated to create additional crypto testing activities. While a large portion of the deep, basic research and infrastructure development in the blockchain space still occurs in the United States, Southeast Asia is excellent for Web3 firms offering consumer-facing services. The demographics of Southeast Asia are very favorable for Web3. The populace is young, has an innate understanding of technology, and is more open to trying new things. People are highly motivated to join by the financial side of cryptocurrency because it is primarily a market for developing economies. Decentralized finance, DeFi platforms encompass a collection of financial services and products developed on decentralized blockchain networks without the use of intermediaries like banks or other financial organizations. With DeFi, anyone with an internet connection can access a more transparent and open financial system. Examples of DeFi services and products include decentralized exchanges, asset management, insurance, lending and borrowing platforms, and other financial services that can be accessed and managed via decentralized applications on a blockchain network. In 2024, the DeFi market is expected to generate $1 billion in revenue, with revenue predicted to increase at a 10.60% annual rate. CAGR 2024-2028. The DeFi market is experiencing rapid innovation and growth. One trend gaining traction is decentralized exchanges, DX, which allow users to trade cryptocurrencies without a central authority. Additionally, the integration of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, in DeFi is becoming more common, opening up new avenues for asset collateralization. The need for more inclusive, transparent, and accessible financial services than traditional finance is a major factor propelling the DeFi industry's expansion. The DeFi market is expected to continue expanding, driven by the creation of new use cases and applications, growing acceptance of cryptocurrencies by mainstream investors, and the introduction of new DeFi platforms and protocols. A new area of Bitcoin and blockchain technology that combines gaming is called GameFi, or blockchain gaming. Through the use of NFTs, GameFi seeks to disrupt established gaming business models by granting players genuine ownership of in-game assets. The swift uptake of GameFi in ASEAN can be attributed to the socio-economic obstacles faced by the region's populace, in addition to their keen interest in gaming. Numerous ASEAN nations face challenges such as a substantial portion of the populace without access to banking services, about 71% in the Philippines alone. Under these conditions, play-to-earn blockchain games offered an alluring way for consumers to augment their income, fueling GameFi's rapid uptake. Axie Infinity, a play-to-earn P2E game created by the Vietnamese startup Sky Mavis, is one of the most well-known use cases for GameFi. This game significantly impacted ASEAN society, particularly in the Philippines during its 2020-2021 peak. Even those with no prior gaming or cryptocurrency skills could earn cash through Axie Infinity. Players from across Southeast Asia could earn rewards and points in the game and exchange them for fiat money to meet basic necessities. As Axie Infinity's popularity grew, the cost of in-game avatars, or Axies, skyrocketed, making it difficult for some to afford playing. However, P2E revenue was sufficient to sustain many people in ASEAN, acting as a helpful addition to their total income. Gaming guilds such as Yield Guild Games, YGG, stepped in to ensure that those with limited funds could still play the game by allowing them to rent gaming equipment at a discounted rate and return a portion of their profits to the guild. The P2E industry has grown by an astounding 188% since 2021, attracting over 61,000 monthly searches. More developments and expansion are anticipated in the GameFi space in the coming times. A notable change in Southeast Asia's GameFi scene is the growing interest of popular Web2 gaming businesses in Web3 and blockchain-based game creation. For example, Ampverse, a gaming and esports firm based in Thailand, recently created Ampverse Web3, a business division dedicated to the metaverse. With a significant presence in the local esports scene, Ampverse aims to develop a strong Web3 community by educating players about NFTs, P2E, and other GameFi-related topics. Asia is home to several of the world's most important financial hubs, including China and India, as well as major economies like Singapore, Hong Kong, United Arab Emirates, and Japan. These distinct legal jurisdictions each have their own cryptocurrency laws. For example, trading and ownership of digital assets are permitted in Singapore, but retail cryptocurrency ads are not. Hong Kong has welcomed Bitcoin businesses to maintain its status as a significant global financial center, while Dubai has been aggressively pursuing the adoption of digital assets. Japan has gradually relaxed token listing regulations and is becoming more accepting of cryptocurrencies. Conversely, China outlawed the mining and trading of cryptocurrencies in 2021, and while the government is striving to develop comprehensive crypto legislation, India has implemented strict crypto regulations. Approximately 500 million individuals in Southeast Asia are anticipated to reach working age by 2030. The 10 nations that make up the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam, already have economies that rank 5th in the world when taken as a whole. These economies are expected to grow at a rate of more than 5% annually over the next decade, which is significantly faster than the global average. A Google study predicts that 3.8 million new users will join the internet each month in Southeast Asia due to these favorable demographics. Based on approximately $50 billion in investment, the internet economy in the region is expected to surpass $200 billion in value by 2025. While cryptocurrencies have made remarkable strides and holds a lot of promise in Southeast Asia, there are still certain obstacles to consider. Among them are cybersecurity and fraud. As cryptocurrency gains popularity, it attracts the interest of hackers, con artists, and other criminals. The region has seen multiple instances of ransomware attacks, phishing scams, hacking, and cryptocurrency theft. Users need to be more vigilant and cautious about their online security and privacy. Additionally, uncertainty surrounding regulations and compliance poses challenges. While some Southeast Asian nations have adopted a pro-crypto stance, others remain circumspect or antagonistic. The regulations and regulatory frameworks in the region are not uniformly clear or consistent. making it difficult for businesses and consumers of cryptocurrency to understand various requirements across different jurisdictions. Further, there is still a lot of misinformation, misconceptions, and mistrust surrounding cryptocurrency. Many people do not know how to use cryptocurrency properly or safely, or they do not understand its advantages and risks. Despite these challenges, there are several benefits to cryptocurrency adoption. Protection against inflation is one of them. Many currencies lose value due to inflation, but many people believe that cryptocurrencies provide a buffer against this. For instance, the total quantity of Bitcoin is capped at 21 million coins. As the money supply expands faster than the amount of Bitcoin available, its price is expected to rise. This supply limitation mechanism also serves as a buffer against inflation. Another benefit is the speed of transactions. In the United States, for example, moving assets or funds between accounts or sending money to loved ones can take time, but cryptocurrency transactions can be completed in seconds. Moreover, cryptocurrency transactions can be economical, with negligible or even zero transaction costs for international money transfers, eliminating the need for third parties like Visa to validate transactions. Cryptocurrencies represent a new decentralized money paradigm, helping to release money from governmental control and combat currency monopolies. This decentralization means no government agency can determine the value of a coin or its flow, making cryptocurrencies safe and secure. Additionally, cryptocurrency investments offer variety and can help diversify portfolios. Cryptocurrencies have shown significant growth over the last decade, and their market pricing activity appears unattached to conventional markets such as equities or bonds. This can result in more consistent returns when combined with assets that have lower price correlation. Cryptocurrencies are also accessible, requiring only an internet-connected computer or smartphone to open a Bitcoin wallet, without the need for identity verification, credit checks, or background checks. This ease of use facilitates online transactions and money transfers.
Looking at the cryptocurrency situation here in Singapore now, despite more profit making by cryptocurrency owners over the past 2 years, there has been slightly less enthusiasm.
Southeast Asian nations are making significant strides in adopting blockchain, AI, and cryptocurrency technology, quickly positioning the region as a hub for these advancements. According to Chainalysis' 2023 Global Crypto Adoption Index, countries like Vietnam, the Philippines, and Thailand are poised for a transformative shift in the cryptocurrency industry. Thailand leads the region in applying blockchain technology across various sectors, while Singapore, known for its Web3 leadership, proactively supports financial solutions. In 2023, Singapore's central bank allocated $112 million to support regional fintech projects leveraging advanced Web3 technologies. Prominent cryptocurrency platforms such as Coinbase, Blockchain.com, CommaCircle, and Crypto.com have applied for licenses to operate in Singapore. As we embrace the fourth industrial revolution, the ASEAN economies are brimming with potential. To fully capitalize on these opportunities, businesses must adopt digital technologies and become more agile, making digital transformation essential to harness the region's economic power. Thank you for tuning into our channel. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis of global issues.